Hey guys, it's Peter here again, and I'd like to welcome and thank you so much for getting Video Maker FX. But before you head off to the members area, I'd like to show you something very special we have here, so you can make even more awesome videos. I'd like to show you our special ProThemes add-on for Video Maker FX. In fact, these scenes you're watching right now were made with our awesome ProThemes add-on. This is a set of more than 100 additional scenes to Video Maker FX that really take it to another level. These are suited for almost any business, and most of them utilize advanced character animation. Let me tell you, the use of characters in a video is truly what makes a video stand out and extremely profitable. They tell a story, and that's what your viewers want and love. These simply convert like crazy. Why? Well, it's because people can strongly relate to them, and it gives your video that incredible personal touch. These are going to make your video stand out from anything else out there. So today, what I'm offering is you can get over more than 100 of these scenes, and every month we're going to be giving you an additional 50 scenes delivered directly in our members area that you can install easily into Video Maker FX. But this is a special one-time offer and definitely something that will take Video Maker FX to the next level. But it's only available right now. You get our same no-limit developer rights, so you can sell and profit from these videos however you want. So once again, guys, I'm going to get you 100 plus of these additional scenes today, and every month we're going to get you 50 more scenes delivered directly in our members area. You don't want to miss out on this because this is a truly extraordinary add-on to the software that will give you even more possibilities every single month. So I hope to see you inside the Video Maker FX ProThemes members area.